Okay guys, today we're going to go through on how to download sound effects to an MP3 player on an iOS device, iPhone device, and also there's going to be a bit of iMovie involved as well with video editing. Okay, but without further ado, let's get into it. First of all, we've got to go to the App Store. So we've got to go to the App Store. By the way, I'm doing this on my phone, this tutorial. So we go to the App Store and we hit in the search button. We put in My Media. So just type in My Media, hit search, and it'll come up. There's the file, there's the application. And just press open. Open up My Media, and what My Media is, it has MP3 juices, which is an MP3 player, so you can download songs and movies and songs and music and all sorts of stuff. So it's got advertising on there, but you can deal with that. It's a very good application, this. Right, so once you get to this page, all you need is MP3 juices. So you hit on MP3 juices and it should load up the search page, which it does. Now what we do is we go back to YouTube. We go to YouTube, we hit YouTube, and in YouTube we hit on sound effects. We hit sound effects, and what can we do? What about Mario Dead sound effects? That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? Mario Dead sound effects, but I think I've already got it, so I'm going to get something else. I'll have a look at something else. It's a pretty good sound. What's this? Run Vine sound effects? No. Keep going. Sound effects, YouTube users. Sound effects YouTubers use. Let's have a listen to this.
Mom, can you help me?
Yep. We have to wait for the advert to run.
More school kids get online with discounted home internet for 12 months for eligible lower income families.
You gonna make it right?
Yeah.
And here it is. Typewriter. See, here's the sound effects. Typewriters. Camera shutter. Okay, so what we do here is we hit on share. Hit copy link. Copied, link is copied. Then we go straight back to My Media. We hit My Media. Now in the search bar we just press paste. We paste in the YouTube URL and it's initializing. Now we hit download. It here, it says download, save to cloud, share on Facebook. What we want to do is download it. So we download it on the MP3 player. Very easy to do. It's downloading. Now it says download the file, open the file, share the link, or cancel. What we want is download the file. So we hit download the file. And what I'm going to put in here is sound effects. Sound effects. Which YouTubers use, and save. Okay, now it's backing up to the cloud, backing up to the platform, and it's ready to rock and roll. So I hit back. Wait for this to grab. It's an advertisement, so you have to put up with this. That's why it's free. And hit media, and this. Look at all the sound effects that I've downloaded on this great MP3 player. It's unreal. Not one has failed. And look at them all. All right, and then down here, yes, it's loaded sound effects which YouTubers use. I'm just going to open that and play it. Yeah, beautiful. It's playing perfect. Right, now what I do now is I go into home screen, go to iMovie, hit on iMovie. Now I hit on this icon, which is a default icon which I keep in there for my sound effects. It's my sound effects page. It's like a speaker. So a new user comes on, wants a sound effect, they hit on the speaker. Hit on this. So what I'm going to do is delete that sound effect. It's pretty long, but anyway. What I want to do is go back to my home screen, hit on My Media again. Go to sound effects which YouTubers use, hit on that, and what we want now is what we've got now is play, edit details, open in other apps, export file, or cancel. What we want is open in other apps. Hit on open with other apps, and then we go to the second bar here and we scroll until we find the iMovie icon. We hit on the iMovie icon, and then we either got create new movie or my movie. What we want is my movie. We don't want to create a new movie. We want the default app, my movie. I hit on my movie, and then it drops it in. It drops it into the A-frame bar there, and then it's got the sound effects which YouTube is in. It plays its intro song, and then into it. You want to put that sound up a bit. There we go. Absolutely awesome. There's some great sound effects on there. We want to hit done. We hit done, and then we hit the square with the arrow in it. And then what we do is we come up to this second bar here. We hit YouTube. And then we go to hit public, share it onto your YouTube platform, and now it's exporting my movie to the YouTube platform. What it's doing now is it's publishing the sound effect or the short movie or short sound effect. So that's all it's doing is publishing it and making a final copy of it. And it will go live onto YouTube algorithm, so people can start viewing it and downloading it themselves. Now it's uploading to YouTube. Just have to bear with me a bit while it uploads. It's going to take a while. It's not that long, only short 2 minutes, because it's only a 2-minute video. It's got plenty of sound effects on there. What I usually like to do, I like to get a video of sound effects, and then when I'm by myself and I've got time, I individually cut the sound into individual strips, and I edit and I use it. I cut it like that. I don't usually put them on one big video, but this one I'm going to put on one big video for demonstration purposes. Now what we do, we hit here, we hit the home button, and then we hit YouTube Studio. We open up YouTube Studio and we go to dashboard, then we hit videos, and look, my movie is in progress. So what I want to do is I want to edit my movie, and I want to put in something like this: sound effects which YouTubers use. Hit done. Select all, copy, done, and I'll just copy this description. That's done. Go into tags. Paste. No, it's not made for kids. And save. And now that is done. Now what I'll do here is I hit on this icon here. Custom thumbnail, here we go. And I want this icon, I want this thumbnail. That's save. Select save. And save. And now that's all saved. We just have to wait for it to keep processing onto YouTube from YouTube Studio, where you do all the editing and you look at all your analytics and everything. It's very good, YouTube Studio. It's very handy. It's a great tool. It's a great software. And then from YouTube Studio, we head over to YouTube platform, the #1 platform, YouTube, and wait for our video to upload onto the platform. So I hit it into YouTube. Just get rid of that video. And there it is. Yeah, this video has been removed. I'm still removing the old video. Oh, here we go. Sound effects which YouTubers use. Excellent. It's done. It's in there. So. Oh no, hold it. I've made a mistake. I've got to go back to YouTube Studio. Hit on this icon. Hit on this icon. Back to this. Yeah, set a select. Back to that. And save. Okay. So now I'll go back to YouTube. Back to your channel. I have to get out of here. Hasn't done it properly yet. Have to wait a bit. What we're waiting for is it to fix up the thumbnail. Well, I put the wrong thumbnail on there, that's all. To your channel. It still hasn't got its sound effects which YouTubers use. And there's the sounds, I can hear the sounds. So it does load. Awesome. And this video is now live. There's the sound effects. I'm just going to pause and back down. And that's basically it. This will change soon to one of those blue icons, and I'm getting more and more sound effects in my YouTube channel. And basically what I want to do now is that's it. It's finished. It's on the platform. It's in my YouTube channel. We uploaded a video, downloaded to an MP3 player. For MP3 player, we uploaded to the YouTube platform. From the YouTube platform, we edited on YouTube Studio, and now it's live on the YouTube platform with the correct thumbnail. It just hasn't changed over yet, but if you download, if someone clicks on it, it will go to the normal thumbnail. But anyway, that's my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. My name's Darren. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment. Please hit subscribe. Come back and get as many free sound effects as you like for your YouTube videos. They're all top quality. I'm consistently building on it every day. I'm adding more and more sound effects. It takes a long time. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much. Bye.